Hey everybody, welcome to the garden. I hope you're having a great day. Shout out to the lemon and lime lovers and everybody in between. It's time for a stock highlight video. And remember, if you're interested in any of the services I provide, please check the links in the description below for both the Patreon and Discord. And if you would like for me to do a highlight video for an asset of your choosing, whether it's a stock, crypto, or commodity, make sure you join the Discord and type in the name of your stock, crypto, or commodity and its ticker in the stock crypto highlight room. And quick reminder before I go forward, this service that you're seeing here, the videos will remain public. However, requesting me to look at an asset will become a premium service privilege. Okay, so you will only be able to do this if you are a premium member until the end of this month. Okay, so we're still in the free trial until the end of November, but once November passes, only premium members will be the ones able to recommend me to look at something, though I will make the videos public. So even if you're a free member, you'll get to see the videos, but you won't be able to recommend me an asset. Now, today we were recommended Metamaterials. MMAT is the ticker. So starting off on the monthly, we have some information here. Clearly, we've actually bounced off a really interesting place. I mean, looking at the monthly, we had this swing low here, but then we had what I would say is a pretty long consolidation around this level here. We had another swing low right here, nice pop, and now we returned back and pretty much made a slight higher low from this low here, but essentially bounced from that zone. Let's actually pop this on the chart, and we'll go from this swing low right here because it grabs these two. Yeah, we'll keep it red so we know it's off of the monthly time frame. And let's actually create another horizontal level right here. Yeah, so we're grabbing this swing high. We're grabbing just about this swing high. We did get quite a pierce here, but we're getting a general range on the monthly. Seeing this consolidation trade on top of the level. Yeah, this looks pretty relevant. This looks very good. Other than that, what information do we see? Seems very good for in the coming months potentially to come all the way back up towards 392. So this is a very interesting chart. We may see some more upside. Let's go down to the weekly, see if we see anything else. So weekly, look at this. But look at this, like this bottoming structure. See how it's like kind of cupping down, like kind of like circling down. That's really nice to see. We had a really nice gap up in the week. So wow, really nice move. Seems like there's a lot of momentum to the upside right now. We are piercing, or at least we're wicking above these highs. So we've tapped into the liquidity that was residing above this level. So watch for a potential pullback to fill out this gap, going all the way down towards $1.67, $1.62 ish. So we could see a pullback in the coming week or so. But this is overall fairly nice. And depending on how it pullbacks, you may end up getting a fairly large, inverse head and shoulders on the weekly time frame, depending on how it pulls back here. So I'm liking how this looks overall. This is pretty interesting. This looks like it's due for a pullback, but in the coming months, you may see some continued upside here. Do I see any other levels on the weekly? Oh, okay, I do see this level here. We have this double bottom level right here on the weekly that I think is interesting. We should probably highlight. Let me just see if there's anything else going backwards that kind of touches on this. No, well, actually, I do see another. Okay, so you know what? I'm actually gonna do. So we're gonna mark this trend line right here. Okay, we'll make this black so we know it's off the weekly time frame, and I actually see a rising trend line. Hopefully, I draw this correctly off of the weekly. That might play a role. Let's. So from this one's a little difficult. I think it's from this level here to here. Let's see. No, it's not. That's not what's something's catching my eye, but I can't see it completely yet. Oh, wait. I think I see it. Okay, so this one right here to here. No, it's not this. Yeah, I don't know what's catching my eye. I've been looking at charts for so long, and I get like this tinge of when I see something, but maybe my eyes are playing tricks on me. So sorry about that. But I thought I did see like a rising trend line here, but I guess not. That's okay. That is what it is. Other than that, I think this level is what we're going to be coming into fairly soon, so over the next couple weeks to maybe a month or so. Let's go down to the daily, see if there's anything else. I mean, we do have a fair value gap right over here on the weekly, which I guess I could mark, but it's pretty close to the high side of the monthly range here. So may not be that. We'll mark it just to have it on the chart. So we have two fair value gaps here. So we have one above the range, so right here. So this is a weekly bearish fair value gap, and then we have one slightly right here. So wicked into it just a little bit right here, that we could see this also get tested out. So pretty interesting levels that I would look to target on the weekly time frame. Now on the daily, let's see what we're looking at. So daily, oh yeah, wow, look at that. I mean, this rise has been pretty strong, but we have plenty of liquidity below us to tap into, and in this case it would likely be a bullish retracement back, okay, because we did take out this swing high here. So looking at these swing highs right here, so this right here, all the liquidity that was pulled above that level got taken out with this candle, wicked even higher to make sure we grab the liquidity above these levels here. And now watch for a pullback going towards these gaps and these fair value gaps all over here. So let's mark these on the chart. So this will be on the daily. So we have this fair value gap right here to here. Okay. So that fills out the gap as well. And then we have this fair value gap right here. So boom to boom. It's really this really big one here. We'll actually change these up because these are bullish. So they should be green, so bullish FVGs. So I would look to potentially try and start a long, or a buy position on this on the pullback. Again, you want to break this up. Don't go head first into the position. Look to slowly build out your position. Be responsible. And then here, this is going to be the most interesting one, because if we do have a pullback, we come in, grab the liquidity under this level, and see a nice pop up. I do like this as well. So the daily's really giving a lot of potential entries into this bullish retracement. And I from what I can see, as long as we don't lose out really on this low here, we should be solid. Let's actually mark it with the trend line. So this low right here, as long as we don't lose out on that daily level, so that daily low level at 63 cents, you're pretty solid when you're looking, from the monthly, weekly to the daily. So really this range, this zone here, we want to see 80 cents to 63 cents not get broken through. And to me, considering how powerful this move has been, it's very likely we do come back into this fair value gap here, this big one here, and start building out a bullish consolidation in this level, and potentially have a larger move up. And that would coincide with what I noticed on the weekly, a weekly inverse head and shoulders, right? And potentially you may even see like what looks like on the daily like a cup and handle, right? So this is very interesting. I do think you have to have the bullish bias to the upside, but you don't want to buy now because we've taken liquidity above these levels. It's very likely we have a pullback going down towards at least towards like $1.70, but potentially all the way down towards $1.30, and maybe even all the way back down towards $1, $1.20. So watch for all these zones, and definitely look to target either the weekly high level, or if you're looking to hold for quite some time, you may even be able to get towards the fair value gaps on the weekly, and then the monthly high range level. So I have to have a more bullish bias on this, but this is very nice looking. And if it starts breaking that monthly range, I mean, you might have another one of these big impulses up. So very cool, very nice chart. Thanks for highlighting this one. I'm happy I got to see this one. I'm actually not that familiar with MMAT. I don't know if I've ever looked at this chart before, but it's definitely in a very interesting place, and potentially, depending on whatever's happening with this company, this could be a long-term bottom. I don't know. Again, not financial advice. I have no idea. But looking at the technicals, you're at a very low level of where this has traded. You're at a very low level. All right, everyone. That's it for this stock highlight. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you want me to highlight an asset for you, make sure you're in the Discord and pop it in the crypto stock highlight room, and I will make an exclusive video just for you. All right, everyone. Remember, be patient, be vigilant, and be nimble. I love you guys. Take care.